How to fix Roblox error code 403 or authentication failed. First thing you want to do is hit Windows on your keyboard and type run and then enter and then type app data without space. Hit OK. So this will the folders that will show up. You click on the first folder, which is local. You find the Roblox folder, right click and delete this folder. You go to the second folder, which is the local low, and then once you deleted the folder, there will be Roblox settings that will pop up here, and you just have to delete that. And then you just have to re-download the app again or the software and reinstall. So that's how you fix Roblox error code 403 or authentication failed.